Okay, folks, so you might be tempted to think that if you have like these kind of trash trees, as they're often called, pioneers is what I like to call them, scrubby, hardy pioneers, that they're useless. They don't produce food, they don't really have a good wood, but what they are really good for is just making green mulch. So we never take them out completely, right? No matter how much you chop at these things, the stumps will always resprout, and they're going to grow nice green leaves that you can use to feed the soil, suppress grass, suppress weeds, things that you don't want growing around your plants. And so when you think about resources on your land, I think it's a lot of just like opening up your mind and your imagination to what resources are. People think like you got to go in and clean the land completely. Like it's not your car, it's not your house. You don't have to clean it. Tidy it up a little bit. Keep your pioneers tidy so that they don't shade out your cultivars too much, so that they don't drop a lot of like nasty seeds on them and parasites and things like that. So keep it relatively tidy. But also if it does get away from you a little bit, don't beat yourself up, because you might find birds' nests up there. You might find habitat in there too. So leave your pioneers for as long as you can until you have to tidy up a little bit. And then when you are tidying up, just remember that this is a really valuable resource, all this green stuff. This is fertilizer that I don't have to buy. This is weed suppressors that I don't have to buy. So it's really just more about your imagination than anything else. Hey folks, so thank you so much if you've subscribed. We recently hit 500 subscribers, little tiny milestone here on YouTube. So if you want to help the channel grow, that is the best way to do it. Please subscribe and help us hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. YouTube's already got ads on all my videos, so please help us get to 1,000. We also have a Patreon page, and that is what helps to fund these videos, pay for our internet, my time and energy out here making these videos for you guys, because we really want to spread the word about agroforestry. So please check out our Patreon, lots of exclusive benefits up there for you as well.